In today's video, we are going to show you how to record a customer refund in Xero. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials. Inside the dashboard, go on the top menu, click Sales, and click Invoices. Now, I want you to hover on the Awaiting Payments tab. Open the Credit Transactions to Refund. In my case, I am choosing this one. I'm going to click on it. And then there should be an option for you to click the Add Cash Refund. Now, all you have to do is fill in all of the information, the amount, date paid, account. If you want to create a new account, you can do that as well. You can also put a reference, which is optional but recommended. You can add something like a customer refund and make sure everything matches the actual refund process in your bank and click the Add. And there you have it. Once done, the invoice will show both the original payment and the refund transaction. And basically, that's it for today's video on how to record a customer refund in Xero. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next one.